Christmas. And then the broken fidget spinner that I showed you in the other video. And the other goldfish spinner that I showed you from the other video. And this hook that you didn't see yet. And this Wonder Woman right here. And you know, Wonder Woman is my best friend at school. Her name is Amaya, and she likes Wonder Woman. And then this one's a Minnie Mouse phone. And this is a car. Jacen, come on, let's clean up. This is Jacen's ball. Yeah, Jacen likes Superman, and here's other cool stuff. Other Jason's really cool stuff. Can you put it in here, Jacen? Other stuff. Jacen, now in here too. Jacen, come on. I already put it inside. Come on. Come on. Let's clean up more, Jacen. Mommy, I'm tired. Okay, Jacen, you can take a little break over there then. And I'll
Okay, you can have a break.
But I'm tired.
Okay, then Ate will finish it and then we'll just sing. Okay,
Here's
okay,
the
you can
last
sing the
other
cleanup
Legos.
song.
Okay, let's put all of these away some more. Jason's a little bit tired. That's why I'm just cleaning it up.
Oh, thank you, Ate.
You're welcome.
Good job. It's almost done.
Yeah, it's almost there. Good job, other fidget spinners. Good job, Gianne. Thank you, Jacen. Come on, Jacen, let's clean up a little bit more. But I'm tired. Okay, I'll just clean it up then. Good job, Gianne. If you clean all this stuff out of the carpet, you'll have a big star.
Oh.
Look, there's a little bit more now, guys. Mommy, and you have a big star.
You're gonna give a big star to Ate?
Yeah, and even Mommy.
Oh,